The web server enables remote access to the Axxon One software suite over the Internet. The web server is accessible through the web client, mobile devices, HTTP API requests, and RTSP links. Important: the web server recodes incoming videos using MJPEG codec, therefore the incoming traffic may increase dramatically. To configure the module, select a server object and proceed to Web Server Settings. The Web Server module starts automatically with the server. To disable it, you can select No for the Execute parameter. Specify a free port number to connect to the web server. If necessary, specify a prefix to be added to the IP address in the URL path field. If your connection uses HTTPS protocol, select a port, then specify a path to the private key file and the certificate. In the RTSP port field, specify the port number that will be used to transfer RTSP data. In the RTSP HTTP port field, specify the port number to transfer RTSP data via the HTTP tunnel. The web server is now configured. To connect to the Axxon One software through the web client, you need a web browser and a TCP/IP communication media. To perform remote video surveillance via the web browser, you don't need to install Axxon One. In the address bar, type the address of the Axxon One server. Then enter your login and password. You can play back video in the web client using one of two players, JPEG and MP4. You can view live videos through the web client. To view a video, select a camera from the panel, or select an available layout. If you open a multi-camera layout on your screen, only the selected camera's video will be displayed in full motion. Other camera windows will only display iframed. To open the window in full screen, double-click the camera window. To exit full screen, double-click again or press ESC. You can also view recorded video footage. If necessary, you can export still frames or video sequence. You can apply digital zoom when viewing live or recorded video. To listen to a camera's microphone, click the microphone button in the camera window. You can play back audio in MP4 format only. To view camera statistics, click the Statistic panel button in the top right corner. For each camera, pixel resolution, FPS and video format will be displayed. You can access the Axxon One web server from iOS, Android, and Windows 10 mobile clients. The mobile client apps are available from Apple, Google and Microsoft official web stores.